Hey newbies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are solving mental ability questions of KSFES 2015 question paper. Very simple questions are there. Okay, the first question we are solving is from simplification. A tailor had a number of shirt pieces to cut from a roll of fabric. He cut each roll of equal length into 10 pieces. He cut at the rate of 45 cuts a minute. Okay, how many rolls would be cut in 24 minutes? I hope the question is clear. See, every 1 minute, he cuts 45 cuts. Okay, then what about 24 minutes? How many cuts? Very simple, 45 into 24. Correct. What is 45 into 24? 45, 24, easy numbers. This is 20, 2 carry over, 16 plus 10, 26, 26 plus 2, 28. Again 2 carry over, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, we got number of cuts, 1080 cuts. Am I clear? In this 24 minutes, he'll cut 1080 times. Okay, now he cut each roll of equal length into 10 pieces. Every roll he cut into 10 pieces. To cut the roll into 10 pieces, how many cuts are required? Is it 10 cuts? No. See, that is where you go wrong. Okay, let's take an example. If I want to cut this roll into 2 pieces, how many cuts do I need? Only 1 cut. See? Similarly, if I want to cut this roll into 3 pieces, how many cuts? Just 2 cuts. Okay, now to get 10 pieces, 1 roll. To get 10 pieces, how many cuts are required? 9 cuts are required. Am I clear? Now total how many cuts are made in 24 minutes? 1080 cuts. Correct. Then how many rolls? Check it. Very simple. You can use your cross multiplication. X is equal to 1080 divided by 9. Answer is 120 rolls. Don't take 10 cuts here. This is the place where you do mistake. So the final answer for this question is option D. Newbie, second simplification question. Today is Varun's birthday. 1 year from today, he will be twice as old as he was 12 years ago. How old is Varun today? A simple question. First, take the present age of Varun. We can assume any variable. I'll assume V here. Okay. 1 year from today. That means 1 year hence. How old will be Varun? V plus 1. Correct? No. He'll be 1 year older than the present age. Then what about 12 years ago? It's very simple. V minus 12. Now, using these two, we need to form an equation. Okay. So here, 1 year from today, he will be twice as old as he was 12 years ago. That means, see, V plus 1 is age after 1 year. This is equal to twice of his age 12 years ago. Simple. Just solve for V and get the answer. Okay. See, this is V plus 1. Let's take it as 2V minus 24. Send this V to RHS and 24 to LHS. We get V is equal to 25. Meaning is present age of Varun is 25 years. Very simple question, no? Okay, let's continue now. Next simplification question is 2 bus tickets from city A to city B and 3 tickets from city A to city C cost rupees 77. Okay, but 3 tickets from city A to city B and 2 tickets from city A to city C cost 73 rupees. What are the fares from city B and C from A? Newbies, another simple question. Let's assume a variable for 1 ticket from A to B. I'll take X variable and 1 ticket from A to C, Y variable. Am I clear? They're telling 2 tickets from A to B plus 3 tickets from A to C is equal to 77 rupees. Okay. Then 3 tickets from A to B plus 2 tickets from A to C is equal to 73 rupees. Newbies, before applying the simultaneous equation technique, see my solution. I'll just add these two equations. 5x plus 5y is equal to 150. Okay. I'll divide each number by 5. I get x plus y is equal to 30. Very simple. If we add both ticket values, no, the summation should be 30 rupees. Okay. Check in the options. They have given both tickets. Take the summation. 23 plus 4, 27. This is not the answer. Second option, 13 plus 17. Summation is 30. Okay, this could be answer. Let's come to third option. 15 plus 14, 29. Definitely this is not the answer. Then last one, 17 plus 13. Again we are getting 30. These are the two possible answers. Am I clear? Newbies, if fourth option gives you different sum than 30, you can fix B as the answer. Since both options are giving us summation 30, we have to continue this. 2x plus 3y is equal to 77. Okay. 3x plus 2y is equal to 73. Now we have to apply simultaneous equation method. Okay. Very simple. We have to focus on removing a variable out of these two. I'll take into 2 here and into 3 here. What we get? 4x plus 6y is equal to 77 2s are 154. And here 9x plus 6y is equal to 73 3s are 219. Okay, after this you know the steps, correct? Very simple. Let's take negative symbol. We can cancel these two now. What we get here? Minus 5x is equal to minus 219 minus 154, 65. Okay, what is x value then? 65 divided by 5, we get 13. What is the meaning of this? Ticket from A to B fare is 13 rupees. If ticket from A to B is 13 rupees, what about the ticket from A to C? Very simple, 17 rupees. Am I clear? Then we can fix option B as the answer for this question. Don't get confused. See, first ticket fare should be from B to A and next value should be from C to A. That's why it is option B. I hope this is clear. Next question is from permutation topic. If you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, then how many times do you write the digit 3? Anyways, 1 to 100 in the sense we have to deal with single digit and double digit numbers. Correct? No? Let's check in the single digit number first. Single digit numbers. We use 3 only once. Correct? No? One time. Then. Now, let's move to 2 digit numbers. Here, to understand this easily, let's consider 3 cases. In the first case, let's take 33. How many times 3 is written? 2 times, right? Okay. Let's move to second case. In the second case, I'll take 3 in the tens place. Am I clear? Numbers are like 31, 32, 33. No, 33 you can't take. 33 is already taken. So 31, 32, 34, 35, all these numbers. Okay. Let me list the values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I'll remove 3 because we can't place 3 here. If we place 3 here, no, that will become 33. That possibility is already taken. Okay. How many more numbers are left out? 9 more numbers. So I can place any one of the 9 numbers. 9 ways are there. Meaning is 9 numbers are there. See? 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. These are the 9 numbers. Am I clear? How many times 3 is used here? 9 times. Okay. Last case is 3 in the unit place. Okay. Newbies, in this case, along with 3, one more number should not be placed in this place. Which number? 0. Yes. See, if 0 comes here, this number will change to single digit number. But we need that number to be double digit number. Correct? No? So, we have to remove 0. How many more numbers are there? 8 more numbers. I can place any one of the 8 numbers to this tens place. Clear? Meaning is 8 numbers are there. See? 13, 23, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. These are the 8 numbers. Clear? Now, how many times 3 is used in this 8 numbers? 8 times, right? Very simple. See, I want you to learn this technique. Okay, avoid this listing. Learn this technique properly. So in the single digit number, we have 1 3 and 2 digit numbers. See, in this case, we have 2 3s plus in this case, we have 9 3s plus in this case, we have 8 3s. Total how many 3s? 20. Simple. This is the way to answer this question. Just avoid this listing. Okay, don't list the values. Use this method to answer this question. I hope this is clear. Newbies, next question is from time, speed and distance. Sound produced at a point is heard by a person after 5 seconds, while the same sound is heard by another person after 6 seconds. If the speed of the sound is 300 meter per second, what could be the maximum and minimum distance between the two persons? You have to find both. Let's find minimum distance first. Okay, to get minimum distance, let's assume this as a sound producing point. To get minimum distance between them, you have to make them to stand one after the another one like this. See? Am I clear? This sound reaches the first person in 5 seconds and the second person in 6 seconds. After this, it is very clear. After reaching this first person in 5 seconds, the sound reaches the second person in just 1 second. Correct? No, that is what the gap between these two people. They are in 1 second gap for the sound. Am I clear? Now, to get the distance between these two, what we have to find? Simple. We have to find how much distance the sound will cover in this 1 second. Okay? Distance formula is speed into time. We know speed of the sound is 300 meter per second and the time is 1 second. What is the distance then? 300 meters. Why it is meter? See, speed is in meter per second and the time is in seconds. That's why we get distance in meters. Okay, options are in kilometers. How do we convert it? Very simple. Just divide the value by 1000. Answer is 0.30 kilometers. Option D is the answer for this question. See, no other option has 0.30. That's why option D is the answer for this question. No need to work out for the maximum. Maximum definitely 3.3 kilometers. Am I clear? Okay, let's check the maximum now. To get maximum, what do you have to do? No? Let's take this as a sound producing point. You have to place one person this side and another person this side. Okay, see, this person will hear the sound after 5 seconds and this person will hear the same sound after 6 seconds. Or else we can say like this, the sound reaches this person in 5 seconds and this person in 6 seconds. What is the distance between them? How many seconds? 11 seconds. Am I clear? Same, to get the distance between these two, just you have to find how much distance the sound can cover in 11 seconds. Okay, very simple. 300 into 11. This is 3300 meters. Okay, we need to convert this to kilometers. So 3300 divided by 1000, we get 3.3 kilometers. This simple it is. Okay, to get the minimum distance, you have to place them like this, one after the another one. Okay, to get the maximum, one on this side, another one on that side. I hope the technique is clear. Newbies, next question is from blood relation. Rahul's mother is the only daughter of Monika's father. How is Monika's husband related to Rahul? Rahul's mother is the only daughter of Monika's father. You have to use this information to answer this question. Okay, you can start from anywhere. See, I'll take like this, Monika and her father. Okay, see, I'll take Rahul here. Rahul's mother is the only daughter of Monika's father. Now the question is, Monika's husband related to Rahul. How this person related to Rahul? What's the answer? Father. Simple. Option B is the answer for this question. Next question is also from blood relation. A is B's sister, C is B's mother, D is C's father, E is D's mother. Then how is A related to D? Here for the sibling, just take like this, siblings A, B, C like this. For mother, father, take like this. Okay. Between these two, marriage relationship is there. Take like this. Okay. See, A is B sister. That means like this. A is B sister. We can fix A's gender as female, but we can't fix the gender of B. There's no proper information for that. See, A is B sister. Yes, we know gender of A is female, but what about B? We can't fix. Okay, let's continue. C is B's mother. C is B's mother. We can fix C as female. Okay, then D is C's father. What is the gender of D then? Male. Because D is the father of C. Male. Okay, then E is D's mother. What about E now? Female. Am I clear? Question is, then how is A related to D? Just check. What is the generation gap between A and D? 3 generations, right? What is the answer then? Granddaughter. Am I clear? How is A related to D? Granddaughter. How is D related to A? Grandfather. I hope this is clear. Newbies, next question is from letter series. If the following series is written in reverse order and the alternate letters are deleted from it, then which letter will divide the new series in 2 equal parts? They're asking you to take the alphabet from Z. Okay, and we have to delete the alternate letters. See, the alternate letters are deleted from it. Let's remove it. Y, W, U, S, Q, O, M, K, I, G, E, C, A. Clear? See, total 26 letters are there. We have removed half of the letters. That means 13 letters. Only 13 are left out. Am I clear? Now they are asking you to divide this remaining 13 letters into 2 equal parts. Obviously, one letter will be left out. That is what they are asking here. See, which letter will divide the new series into 2 equal parts? Let's divide this. BZ, DX, VF, HT, RJ, okay, LP. What is left out? N is left out. Am I clear? Answer for this question is N. N divides this remaining 12 letters into 2 parts. Okay. Try to remember this question. Since we have started from Z, we are getting N as the answer. For the same question, if we start from A, then we get M as the answer. Because these two are the middle 2 letters. Am I clear? 26 letters are there. No. Out of 26 letters, M and N comes in the middle. 13 and 14. If you start from Z, N is the answer. And if you start from A, M is the answer. I hope this is clear. Newbies, this question is from coding and decoding. If KEDGY is coded as EKDYG, then how will LIGHT be coded? To solve this question, first you have to decode it. Okay. You have to use this information to get the logic behind the coding. First, let's decode it. KEDGY EKDYG. You please pause this video and try this question. Very easy question, right? See? You have to keep the third letter as it is. First letter comes to second place and the second letter comes to first place. Then, see, fifth letter comes to fourth place and fourth letter comes to fifth place. The simple it is. Let's use the same logic to code this light. LIGHT. Code it. We have to keep the third letter as it is, G, and the first letter should be placed in the second place and the second letter should be placed in the first place. Similarly, fourth letter should be placed in fifth place and fifth letter should be placed in fourth place. Clear? What is the answer then? Option C is the answer for this question. Easy, no? Let's continue now. Newbies, next question is also from coding and decoding. Check the question. In a certain code language, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. Okay. How will medicine be written in that code language? We have to apply the same logic. First, we have to decode it and use the same logic to code this medicine. Okay. Let's decode it now. I must say, most repeated question. Try to solve this by your own. Just pause the video and try. Okay. I hope you have tried it Okay, here is the decode. C, first letter is in the last place and the last letter is in the first place. Okay, after this, see here, they have coded like this. E plus 1, F, they place that letter here. Similarly, T plus 1, U, U plus 1, V, P plus 1, Q, M plus 1, N, O plus 1, P. This is the code. Use the same logic to code the medicine. Okay, apply the same logic. See, first we have to place the last letter in the first place and the first letter in the last place. Okay, after this, check it. N plus 1, O, I plus 1, J, C plus 1, D, I plus 1, J, D plus 1, E, E plus 1, F. This is the required answer. Clear? Option D is the answer for this question. Newbies, coding and decoding is a scoring topic. Do practice properly. Okay? Newbies, next question is from Odd Man Out. Find out the wrong term in the series 2, 5, 10, 50, 500 and 5000. One number is there which doesn't fit to this series. You have to find out number. That number is what? Odd Man Out. Okay? This is also an easy question. Check it. Logic is very simple. See, third term is a product of first two terms. Fourth term is a product of second and third term. Fifth term is a product of third and fourth term. See, like this. 2 into 5 is 10. 5 into 10 is 50. 10 into 50 is 500. Then 50 into 500 should be 25,000. Correct? No? But the given number is 5,000. This number does not belongs to this series. Clear? This is what? Odd Man Out. Simple. Option A is the answer for this question. Okay, newbies, let's solve the last question of this video. In this question, we have to find this number. Okay. All these numbers are under a logic. You have to find that logic to answer this question. I have two ways which gives you the same answer. Let's see. You try this first. First method is take the product of second and the third term. See, these two. Divide the value by 2. 1s are, 3s are. What is this value? 72. We get the first term, this value. Similarly, 16 into 12 divided by 2. 1s are, 6 are. What is 16 6 are? 96. Which is the first term of this row. Correct? No? Then finally, this row. X into 18 divided by 2 should give you 108. Correct? Now, first let's divide this. 2 1s are, 2 9s are. Now the question is very simple. See, by multiplying what number with 9 gives you the result 108? 12, right? Yes. X value is 12. Simple. Option A is the answer for this question. This is first method. Okay. Let's learn the second method. In the second method, what we have to do is take the first term, divide that by second term. Clear? What is 72 divided by 24? Answer is 3. To get 6, just I'll multiply this value with 2. 6. Clear? Apply the same logic for the second row. 96 divided by 16. What do we get? 6 are. To get 12, we have to multiply this with 2. Okay. See, the logic is working. Let's use the same logic to get the answer. 108 divided by x, whatever the quotient we get, into 2 should give you 18. Can you guess this number? What number into 2 gives you 18? Easy number, 9, right? After getting this value, getting x value is very simple. Can you guess the value? 108 divided by what number gives you the quotient 9? Yes, 12 is the answer for this question. I hope you have understood all the questions solved in this video. If you have any doubt, please do comment it. Thank you.